Hi, this is Keith from mybot.business. Chatling version 2 has now added in one new feature called conditional logic. A very nice feature, and let me show you how we are using it at one of our clients. This is a Chatling chatbot that has been implemented for our client. Take a look at the components. It's got an image, it's got a little bit of text, and it's also got a menu. Ask a question, stock levels, send us a message. I can start off by asking a question. But just before I type in enter, take a look at the prompt. Ask a question or type menu to go back to the menu. The menu being that initial menu, ask a question, stock levels, or send us a message. So I'm going to type in a question. I'm going to get an answer. And once again, the prompt is going to come back with ask a question or type menu to go back to the menu. After it's given answer, at this point, instead of asking a question, I can type in menu. And the menu is now based on that conditional logic, which takes us back to the menu as opposed to ask a question. At the same time, I could go along and ask stock levels, and this is a nice feature that I put in just yesterday for our client. It allows us to type in the name of the stock item, for example, that, and submit it. It does an HTTP call, and it comes back and gives us the stock levels of that particular product, 20 in stock. And once again, I can ask another question, or I can type in menu to go back. And there is my menu once again. How did we do that? Well, quite simple. Let's take a look at the canvas that we've used on Chatling. The start point, right over there, hidden away, is the start node, goes through to the image, goes through to the introduction. This feature here identifies a unique number for our conversation ID, which we use for a different purpose, writing away the question and answer into a table. Here is the main menu. It's based on a form. Ask a question, stock level, send us a message. Ask a question leads us through to this group here. Ask a question, capture text, and then it goes through to the conditional logic. So if we ask a question or type in menu, the first thing it does after capturing the text is it goes to this conditional logic. Let's show you where that came from. There's an option over there called condition. Here's another one. And the condition in this particular case says, if the question equals menu. As simple as that. I could, of course, change the question. I could change the equals to not equals, or many other alternatives, contains, not contains, greater than, etc. But I'm just going to leave it as if the question equals menu, then all that's going to happen is we're going to go back to the menu, or alternatively, we are going to answer the question through the AI bot. As simple as that. You might remember that in addition to the ask a question, there were stock levels. So let's quickly show you how that goes. If the user presses stock levels, it goes through to this group over here, which says enter the full name of the stock item, and it sends an API call to our client stock system, and it checks for the stock levels of that particular item. If it does find it, it gives you not only the full name, but the total in stock, and then goes back to the ask a question again, or type menu to go back to the menu. I think that's all quite easy. Hopefully it is going to help you in your development of your chatbots. My name is Keith. You can contact me at our website, mybot.business. Thanks for watching.